Kajing Thep vote na gabenta banjit ekonomi ikmat Jaka Hills Autonomous District Council bat Gajante Hills Autonomous District Council kebelalong hak arpu etrik urampang hajar arpusan lasaki bakalaya bedja renti. Henry ke Jingkulmar kalami ki artli ki polling station ha East Jante Hills bat ki Runar ki bamla ban itu ki penjular ki kor electronic voting machine EVM hagini ki polling station. Bat kini ki bakentup ya ka Wapung Skur A bat ka Wapung Skur B ka bahab ka Tuber Wapung constituency. Habakran bagi Additional Deputy Commissioner ke District East Jante Hills ikong Jakwalin Karpuri ibadai ke Returning Officer. Ilito bahaka Jaka Thep vote keberan Wapung Skur ha East Jante Hills. Keladon kajing Tombor, kajing Pynpra bat ki Runar ki balalek ke kam kidai ki balaka ekadur ha ke bakini ki Runar ki 84 ru ya ki kor EVM. Kani kajing kelajah ha kepor kumbakat wish tang ye step ha ke Jaka Thep vote. Kentup ke Jaka Thep vote kishinrang bat ki kentai ke badai na kebenta panjit ya ki MDC syaka GHADC. Habayo jing tip na kaliang ki bor pinyak district East Jante Hills bat kumjur ke tenat pulit kilalet march kena kesnong bantem ke Jingkulmar bat ban pensangin oswa ya ke jing Thep vote.
Kani ka polling station jong Wapung Skur bakadai jong kishinrang bat bi pada kadai jong ki kentai. Te hakani pada baro ayat baik menstep di kamdon ni kadon kajing ya sutu bakla menstep kendiat layapan baik te kalayat baik baro te hadu hatway atau kalayat baik ka kam baro nrei hadin pada kumtu hakapor hatway lai kusan tingi yo nok report bakala don kata kajing wan jom kita ki brio ki bam itu khmat da menu kiba ya don hang ni ki badang ya terikam na kaliang presiding bat ki polling team jong presiding bat I sector officer bat I zonal magistrate ti mitu khmat ki shuwan ki shu le force entry nang ta ki shu Pynpra lut ya ki EVM bat nang ta ki penduk lut ya ka kam ban le election te ha ka ju ko por hi had kumbakat wei lai pinyo pada ki let sahapo sakita ki wei pada hapo kaneka mil ka polling station jong kishinrang hangta pada ki sedang sekitaru ki let ban pen huri-hura hangta bat tempat nut ya ki tiar EVM ki bamla itu khmat ti habaki nak liang jong kishnong ru ki la penjai-jai ya ki tang ba mla ban itu khmat ki shuwan ki rungbet ki penpat ha kamil ru ti nrei baro menstep kalang kalaya jai-jai bah karukomlong jongka jing Thep vote te kensan ha kita ki porhi kisu penpat penprano ya ki EVM omla ban itu khmat weiru ki ong babun bamla ban itu khmat te ngi nang hab banwat jing Thep ya kata
ha kan ko durung itu khmat they cover the face or what
dem ki klam cover tamap ki priu ki ba trei ya ka kam election kim itu ya ki kim tip ya ki dei national ne kim dei ru tip okay ti stang ki snong hi ki laban pek mi kata nai nak kaliang jong ki polling team jong ni ki ong nim itu ki dei na ru kim ong badai na ru badai na kani ka snong ne badai na ki shurung be forcefully shurung be ki shupen shurung ki shuan penpat be.
So we received information around 11:35. The polling was going peacefully till 11:20. Then after that we received information that the group of people have entered in Wapung Skur A and B, and then they have destroyed the EVMs. So once we received the information, we have deputed additional forces to ensure that all people are safe in the locality and no one is harmed. Also that there has been no injuries reported in this particular incident, but however the EVM has been destroyed. So we are going with the necessary case for further necessary action. No, so far we have not received any such information of attacking people, but the EVMs were destroyed.